Tech TV. Experience educational television.
The Chemistry Department of Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology organized a 3-day conference in the Aloti Auditorium from 3rd June to 5th June 2019. The first day was dedicated to celebrating a scientist from Manchester University who doubles as a pioneer in materials chemistry in Africa, Professor Paul Obrien. Professor Paul Obrien helped the growth and improvement of science and technology in African countries such as South Africa, Tanzania, Cameroon, Ghana, and others. He influenced a lot of research groups which led to the awarding of PhD in most universities, including KNUST-TEK. A lecturer from the Chemistry Department, Professor Johannes Awuja, interacted with Tech TV News.
Okay, we are celebrating Professor Paul Obrien because he has contributed immensely to the development of science and technology in Africa. As mentioned, he started from South Africa. Then he came to Ghana. He has been to Tanzania. He has been to Cameroon and other countries. And he has worked with quite a number of scientists in these countries, and as you heard at the gathering, he influenced the research work that is being done by a number of research groups in African universities, and that led to the award of PhD to quite a large number of people from this country that I've mentioned.
A representative from United Kingdom, Dr. David J. Louis, spoke to Tech TV News.
So, Paul Obrien's research was into the chemistry to develop materials for solar cells, and some of those things are very useful for absorbing sunlight, converting it into electricity. And Paul developed ways to make these materials using low temperature. The materials that he developed was based on decomposition of very small molecules that were programmed to fall apart into target materials, mainly based on metal chalcogenoids. Now these are really useful because the energy that these materials can absorb is just exactly matched right to that of sunlight. So you can imagine that by synthesizing these things, you can absorb sunlight, and then it just takes a few more steps to separate the absorption of the sunlight into an electron and a positive hole, and then you start getting electricity around the circuit.
Later in the day, presentations were made by various speakers from Professor Paul's consortium. Audience were given the opportunity to ask questions, and respective answers were given.
Tech TV. Experience educational television.